Everyone's Gene. I'm here with Steve Muth. He's going to be speaking at the Forensic Photography Symposium. That's January 22nd to 25th, 2024. Steve, really happy that you're going to be joining us and, representing some of the work that you're doing with the FBI. And I know that you guys deal with some of the bigger, larger cases that are a lot more complex. So can you tell me about maybe some of the things you're going to be touching on in your presentation?
Sure. Thanks for having me, Gene. I think we'll touch base on our national response to large crime scenes and mass shootings, those kinds of events where it's usually a multitude of different personnel that are responding to the scene. So in our case, I'll talk specifically about not only my team here and the photographers we have here, but also those that are in the field. So sometimes we'll leverage those as plus-up resources to be able to respond to some of the bigger scenes. And the collection there on the scene, the types of things we'll collect from a photographic standpoint, whether it's trajectories, victims, anything like that, to how do we then render that photography in a way that then gets transported back to the FBI lab, how the lab then treats that evidence, and then how we as a team here in my unit will actually collect that evidence photographically and then render it into courtroom demonstratives to be able to help tell the story of what occurred to the jury.
Excellent. Well, I know that you guys work on some really big cases and some really important stuff. So I'll be really interested to get your perspective on this. So folks, January 22nd to 25th, there's a link below if you want to register. Steve, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Take care.